How to keep track of time spent on projects. Are you struggling to keep track of the time spent on your projects? Do you find it challenging to stay on schedule and within budget? If so, you're not alone. Managing projects can be challenging, but it can be made easier with the right time tracking software. Workstatus will automate the time tracking process to provide you with the insights such as: you will get an accurate picture of time spent on multiple projects at a single dashboard. Moreover, you can easily win over these enemies. Here are some powerful features of Workstatus to make time tracking a cakewalk for you. Workstatus captures screenshots of your employees' system screens at random intervals to provide a visual record of their real-time operations and productivity. Workstatus geofencing feature automatically clocks employees in and out when they enter or leave designated work areas, ensuring accurate tracking. Employees can verify their attendance by taking a selfie using the Workstatus mobile app, providing an extra layer of security to prevent time fraud. Workstatus monitors the apps and websites employees use during work hours, allowing managers to identify time-wasting activities. Workstatus creates digital timesheets that are accessible from anywhere, making it easy for managers to track employee hours and manage payroll accurately. Workstatus provides reports on employee work hours, attendance, and productivity that can be downloaded for better visibility and tracking. Workstatus offers mobile apps for iOS and Android devices, making it easy for employees to clock in and out and for managers to monitor their team's activity on the go. So, we are now done with the features. Let's move to our conclusion now. Your productivity, our priority. Start free trial. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.